I'm back. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. And I came back with another banger. Hey, YouTube. Hey, it's time. Hey, Prime, you on the clock today, baby. Prime, you on the clock. Y'all on YouTube a lot. So I had to put you on my shot clock. Swoosh. I did a little research, Prime. I ain't gonna talk bad about your company because I ain't never worked for them, but I did a little research. And I learned that Prime make it very easy, based on their website, they make it very easy to do the leasing program. No money down, no credit check. But I did learn that the payments are about $1,200 a week. So I'm not here to make you change your mind. I'm not here to talk down about Prime. I'm just here to bust a couple little rhymes, make a little time, bring you to the biggest. KAG, we the biggest. So look, everybody ain't doing that at Prime. We just gonna state the facts, man. Some people know how to manage money better than others. But I'm only speaking right now. Right now, it's just me and you. If you at Prime Inc., it's just me and you. I'm speaking to the person who's in the leasing program and they struggling. Because I know how it can go. If that truck break down and you ain't been making no money, you still owe them payments and you in the hole, and you can find yourself working a whole 3 weeks to a month in the hole, not making no money because you owe them. So I'm talking to that person who's scared to walk away. I keep hearing y'all saying this is a walk away lease. So with that being said, if you're in that position, don't you swallow your pride. You click, look, I got the website right here. I got my name right here. It's just for you. Hey, look in your city, see what we have available. While you at Prime, get your endorsements. You can get your endorsements while you over there. I'm talking to that person who's struggling. I need you over here with KAG. That's what I'm telling you. The person who's struggling right now on that truck with that lease, I need you to come to KAG. We not chasing miles. No. We not pulling up on docks. No. We not doing that. You know gas move 365, 7 days a week. You might got better opportunities. Your area might got their specialty products. Some of y'all like to be on the road. Man, tell KAG you want to haul gas over the road and watch what they do for you. They'll put you in a day cab hauling gas over the road. I wouldn't tell you no lie. Tell your terminal manager whenever they hire you, you want to be available to go help out in different cities. I bet you in that day cab go to a different city. I bet you they get you a hotel room. I bet that they have you a rental car out there. And I bet they give you a meal plan. Man, you better come on over here to KAG, man. Because you in that truck crying. Prime got you crying. So come on over here. I'm talking to you. You struggling to make them payments. It just look good on the internet. I know it ain't all good. That freight ain't moving like that right now. Them gas price kind of high. Hey, it get ugly. Yeah. You done gave up your whole place. I know what you drivers out there doing over the road. Some of you over the road drivers, it done got so tight that you like, I don't even want the apartment no more. I got to give all that up. You done gave all that up. You just sleeping in the truck, living in the truck now day by day. I know what's going on, man. Ain't nothing wrong with that to get ahead. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Ain't nothing wrong with that to get ahead. But I'm telling you, you don't got to go through that struggle, man. All my people at Prime struggling with that lease. Come on, man. KAG, we the biggest. I'm telling you. Look, I wouldn't even say come over here if it wasn't, man. Good management. I base this on management. If the management good, I can rock with you. if the management good. I wouldn't promote this company if they didn't have good management. I don't care about the pay. The pay could have been good, but if the management was terrible, nah, man, I don't jump on the internet screaming KG with the biggest. I wouldn't do that. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I'm not trying to gas you up. Hey, they really over here. Good company. I done been here. Next month in July be 3 years for me. I ain't had no problems in 3 years. I ain't had no problems in 3 years. Now, I'm gonna tell you one thing I ain't had though. I ain't had no raise. I'm gonna keep it real. I ain't had no raise. But I ain't mad about it. But I ain't had one. But that ain't even overall out of everything. And what I learned from watching the town hall, I don't even know how they like. It's a lot that goes into areas and how much they pay. So that's on a higher level, management level. But I do watch and I listen and I learn. So I understand different areas, different pay, but they eventually gonna have to get the pay higher because like the cost of living just going up here so much. But that ain't even my point. The point is, if you at Prime right now, I know that lease program is not working for everybody. Somebody is on that truck struggling. Somebody's behind on them payments. It may feel like a win-win. Some of y'all probably behind on taxes. Cause y'all, if you ain't never ran the business, you think all that money your money. Cause they give you the whole check. And some of y'all just taking that money and go, some of y'all, it's best to be a company driver first. Like, it's best to be a company driver first before you do that. Some of y'all gonna be able to figure it out quicker than others. But me personally, in the trucking business, I would go company to learn when it's the slow time, when is it booming, just to know the whole system, man. So you won't be in a surprise when it's a slow period. That's what the part y'all be skipping. I can't be no company driver. Yeah, go learn the company. Go learn their system. Go learn how often that truck you use and break down. Go learn how long it's taking them to fix it. So you'll know all these problems and you won't be surprised when it happens. Or at least you'll have a good idea about these problems instead of you just won't blend the blind. Because I know a truck go down 3 days. 3 days, your truck in the shop. Then what? You still owe that $1,200. You ain't made no money. They'll roll it over to the next week. But eventually you're going to get yourself, it's just going to more and more pressure. Then you're just going to be out there driving. You ain't got a quarter. So all the people at Prime, this strictly for y'all because y'all on the internet the most. Y'all doing the most. But KAG, we the biggest. That's what I'm trying to tell you, man. That's what I'm trying to tell you, man. Come on over here to Hey, look. It's down here in the video. The name, I'm going to put it at the beginning of the video. It's going to be somewhere. Somebody on that truck crying today. Hey, dispatch, what's wrong? I don't got no load. You don't got to wait on no freight. Not over here. We ain't waiting on no freight. Man, man, supply and demand. We on a supply and demand. It just work a little bit different. You the people buy the gas. We bring it. Hey, come on now. I need 10 Prime drivers on that lease who's struggling to watch this video. Y'all need to share this video to 10 Prime drivers. I know 10 of y'all is struggling, and y'all need to put my name on the application and get over here to Keenan Advantage as soon as possible. You heard what I said. Get on over here as soon as possible. Don't sit there and struggle. You had 1 good week, then you had 2 bad weeks, then you had 3 good weeks, then you had a bad month. Man, let's just cut that out. Let's cut it out. It's okay to take a step back. Take a step back, man. Get yourself together. Think. Don't get out the bad situation. Get out the bad situation. Every situation made easy to get in, I don't think it's got to your best interest. They made it easy for you. No money down. No credit check. Come on over here, fool. We want you. Because I do believe, man, in the back of my mind, I hope a company wouldn't do drivers like it. I be thinking like, they shouldn't do it. But why wouldn't they? We can have you pay for this truck for 16 months. And that 17 month, I wake up and be like, hey, don't give them no freight, don't give them nothing. We want that truck back. And I'll starve you out. Then I'll go sell the truck again to somebody else. That truck been paid for 5-6 times by 5-6 different people because they run the same system on them. I wouldn't think a company would do that, but who knows? But man, I need 10 prime drivers that's watching this video, that's struggling. I ain't talking about the ones y'all talking about y'all doing good. It's a lot of y'all doing good on YouTube. I'm talking about the 10 that's struggling, that's not on YouTube. Get them this video, they need it. Get them this video, y'all, they need it. I need them away from Prime. I need them with Kenan Advantage Group ASAP. Hey, the struggle is over. Yeah, the #1 tanker driver on YouTube gonna get you hired. You make sure you use me as a referral, and that's how it's gonna go, and that's how it's gonna stay, and that's how it's gonna be. Peace.